Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. I pulled up the financial sector because a lot of times when you're looking at stocks, you're not paying attention to the sector, right? Most of the time here we talk about stocks, when to get in, that sort of thing. We don't talk about the sectors that they trade in. If I'm in the financial sector, for example, and I'm looking at stocks within it, that sector right now has problems. It's relatively weak compared to everything else. You can see huge volume here on the downside, nothing on the upside. You get to that price point, the breakdown bar, you fail. That says this thing's going to try to pull back, and if it tries to pull back, anything inside that sector is going to try to pull back. And so if you look inside the sector, most of these are going to be weak. If I pull up BAC, you can see the weakness there. Citigroup, same sort of deal, trying to come back but weak. Some of the big ones like JP Morgan as well. You can see the weakness in these. The only one that really looks good is Wells Fargo. You can see the relative difference here. It gets over the breakdown bar, back above it. Yeah, it can trade back down again, but at the same time, this is the only one strong. So if you're trying to play the strong ones in a weak group, just realize you got to take profits as they move up, buy them back as they move down, and expect that that's what's going to happen because the sector is tugging against you. That is today's 1 minute trade.